I'm going to be making a very amazing beef stew. I had some meat lying over and I had no idea what to make of it. So I saw a great recipe of an amazing chef. Um, One of my amazing chef. I'm going to link her website on my uh, channel and you can have a look. For this beef stew, it's very simple. I have taken 2 onions. I've taken 1/4 tomato paste. I've taken all the dried spices. I'll share it in my description bar. I've taken 2 tomatoes. I've taken 500 grams meat, only boneless. I've taken 1/4 cup of yogurt. I have taken 4 cloves of garlic and 1 inch ginger piece. I've taken 5 to 6 chili, whole chilies. I've taken 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, and 5 peppercorns. And let's get started. Let's make this beef stew. The meat is frying in the oil. I've taken half cup oil and I'm frying the meat. I'm going to add the spices, the masalas in it. While this is cooking for 3-4 minutes, I'm adding all the dry spices into it. At this point, you see I have added everything in it. I have added the tomatoes, onions, garlic, ginger. I've added the yogurt and I've added the tomato paste. And I'm going to add 2 mugs of water in it so that I can cook the meat. As you can see, I've added the water in it and I'm going to leave it for cooking for 20 to 25 minutes till all this is assembled, and I'll show you then. You can see that the oil has come up and the meat is turned tender. I had to leave it for 30 to 35 minutes. If you have a pressure cooker, it would be very good that you use that, because it took me ages for this meat to get tender. And now it's cooked completely and I will dish it out. My beef stew that I've prepared, I have decorated with some cucumbers. This is what it looks like. I'm going to taste it. I'm sure it's going to be delicious. Please give it a try, guys, and subscribe to my channel.